Don't get me wrong. I was a baby when it all started. And I've managed to, put my hands on a couple of planes. But, yeah, definitely. Not as much as you guys did. So I'm really fascinated and honored knowing you all. Really. So 160. Maybe we can do... can we do a St. John? So we can tell Mad Blue that we can stop at this place. There you go, see? 262. Now we're gonna take 262. There you go, 262. Tac, more or less, yeah? More or less. Something like that. Maybe we can do that, yeah? Is that CYSJ? What is that? Ah, no, that's not. I don't know. That's not St. John. Maybe. Okay, flaps 5. Let's see the V cards. Landing. Flaps 30. Flaps 30. 15 even. Nah, 30. There you go. 126. Ooh, am I leaving? Oh, really, Vilnando? Black Legs, yay! St. John, Canada. Yeah, that should be... Is that the island? Or is that... I don't know. Ciao, Black Legs. Welcome back, sir. You're in perfect time for the crash. Oh, I need to go down to 2000, guys. We need to go. Vertical speed. Down, down. Arm. Boom. Yeah, baby. Go down, go down. A little more. And what's the speed? What's the speed, baby? Okay, that's fine. We need to do 8 miles, more or less. Keep it 160 around. Let's see if the ETA is okay. I don't know if it answers. Let's see. Okay, make it probably 10 minutes. Speed. Okay, more internal. Okay, and a little less of this. Okay, guys. Okay, ready? Lido de Venezia a lot. Wow, man. In real life. Oh shit, evil. I should meet you. Why am I not losing speed? The fuck? Come on, baby. Wow. Okay. Okay. Well, I have flaps 5 only. I have idle thrust. Come on. Okay, giving some power now, though. Okay. 8 miles. Start turning towards 057. Can we do it? Probably yes. Yes. Should be possible. Yeah. Do that. And let me go with with a bit more flaps now. Make it 15. Okay. And make it 20. Alright, so we keep it around 150, 140 more or less. There you go. Okay, starting to do this. Starting to get the baby ourselves. I think it's time, yeah. Okay, it's ours now. I'm gonna set the Vorlock here just to help me out a bit. Alright. But not too much. And don't do this. Don't lose too much speed. Alright. A little back. Okay. Let's see, guys. Ooh. Don't go down. Don't go down. Alright. Alright. Good. Good boy. Gear down. That's my glide slope. We're slow, so we're low. It's fine. Engines. Oh shit, there you go. Again, losing it. Losing it as usual, as always. But it's fine, that's a runway. Ah man, why do I always have to do these bloody mistakes? I don't know. So anyway, it's fine, don't worry. Don't go down though. Stay leveled. Alright. Okay, okay. Flaps. Ooh, why are you turning, you bastard? Okay, it's still rolling. I don't know. For some reason, this guy is rolling on the right. I don't know. No apparent reason. But it's fine. It's fine. It's almost flaps 25, please. Engine. Prepare to descend. And align better. Man, night alignments, I suck at them, really. Majorly. Majorly. But it's fine, don't worry, we'll get there. Less power, less power, less power. Alright. Down. Oh, I think this is a little too much going down, yeah? Okay. That's more like it. Okay, guys. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Flaps 30. YOLO! Yeah! Yeah, Blacklegs, this is gonna be totally a YOLO landing. Totally. I'm telling you. I swear. This is gonna be a YOLO landing. Flight crew, take your seats. Yes, and brace for impact. Please. Prepare. Brace in position. You can pray. I don't mind. Ah, shit. Okay. Is this wind? There was a bit of wind. Was that a crosswind, I wonder? Maybe. Start turning, baby. Start turning. Okay. Quite like it. Quite like it. I'm not gonna touch the throttles now. I think they're okay now. 500. Okay. Down, down. Not too much. Not too much. Okay, there is a bit of wind here. And I quite like it, although not so much. Ah, shit. Okay, it's fine. It's a bit of a high one. Don't worry. Ah, shit. Ah! Come on! Ah, fuck. Come on, baby, go down. Hard landing. Sorry, guys. Really hard. I was trying to level it because for some reason I used the rudder. Because this time, I don't know, I was stupid this way. There you go. I was stupid enough to say, wait, why don't I use some rudder now? And of course, you have to use some aileron as well. Fucking hell, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Ah, sorry. Bit of a hard one. Sorry. I think your next might not be okay. Ah, man. I fucked it up at the last minute. Fucked it up at the last minute. Ah, well. Crazily high. Crazily high. Ah well, guys, we did it. I'm not gonna watch a replay. Not this time. We're gonna simply vacate the runway in a bit of a shame. But look, as long as the passengers are alive, maybe... Yeah, it's a bit of a hard one anyway. Ah well, we YOLO'd it. We made it. It's fine. It's fine. At least we're alive, yes. It's a 4 kilometers runway, which helps, yeah? See, Commandant? Yeah. Completely fucked it up at the last minute. But look, oh, I don't... Ah, yeah, of course, I have no scenery in Havana. Okay, let's park it. And shut it down. And prepare for the next one. It could be worse. Yes, yes, Commandant, I agree. And thank you. Thanks for the understanding. Look. Oh shit. How come I never fly on that sim? I don't know if I just don't. I like, yeah, I don't know. I'm not entirely sure I like ATC. That's what I would say. I don't think I like it. But, yeah. You have whiplash, okay. Yeah, no worries, Delta, absolutely, yes. I'm paying like everybody's treatment, don't worry. I know what my landings can bring, yeah. I know what can happen to my passengers. I understand that, don't worry, I understand it. Now, I can tell you something, the more we fly, the more this will go on, the more, the worse the landings will be, probably. Because, you know, I grow more tired. But it's fine. I mean, maybe some of them are excellent. We'll see. Ooh, look who's here. Get out. Ooh. There you go. There you go. See, thank you, Delta. Thank you. Thank you, Delta. So now we're going to park. I think it's policy of YOLO Air to keep passengers fit. Yeah? So, unfortunately, yes, we kind of broke your neck. Okay? Oh, thank you, Get Out. You were hoping I was streaming. Nice, thank you. Well, I am. See, oh, there you go. You still have your luggage. See, I mean, we didn't explode. Nothing broke. Wings didn't break. It was a hard landing. And again, let me be clear here, okay? Let me find again. Let me use an excuse. This landing speed plugin is designed for general aviation. So 340 feet a minute for an airliner, probably for a 727, it's okay. I mean, it would have been hard, definitely. You might have, yeah, you might sue me if you want, but I don't think it's that big of a deal for an airliner, for a big bird like this, yeah? And especially so much metal like this is. So, I don't know. That's what I'm saying. What would you say, Freak? I think you're the most, yeah, at the moment, you're the most, you know, reliable source of information on the 7... Oh, Evil Nando as well, yes, sorry, man. Absolutely. What do you think about this rate of descent? This touchdown? I think, you know, it's okay. It could be worse. Okay, so anyway, let's get rid of this. Start the APU. Alright, and then keep taxing. Let me see. Oh man, that's am I safe opening YouTube? Let's see. I don't know if I opened it already today. Little hard, not bad. Thank you very much. So yeah, 340 feet a minute. It's yeah, I mean, it should be. Oh shit, look at this. Wait. Really? Let me see this. It feels in the bones, but not into violent. Look at this. Fucking hell. Yeah, more or less, man. More or less. Just need to flare a little bit more. Thank you. See, this is exactly... Yeah, I think I did... Oh, yeah, I probably did more than this. Fuck me. Oh, the aircraft broke down to the hard landing. Ah, come on, really? How can... Maybe the engines? I don't know. Probably pop the tires. Yes, yes. Yes, Delta. Unbelievable. Or like this, Blacklegs, yes. I think this is, I know. There you go, yes. That's the best. That's a lovely one as well. Man, that guy, how could he land? How could he keep it on the runway? I don't know. Deal with it. Oh, yes. That's lovely. Yes, yes. Okay, so, park brakes. Actually, I should park it somewhere in the airport. What was wrong with that? So, see, it's actually all normal. No, it's completely normal, absolutely. Where's my parking space here? So, this is the trip that we did. Oh, actually, we didn't do too bad. That's more or less the point of where we're supposed to get. Okay, I kind of like it, actually. Now, the thing is, textured. Where the fuck are we? I don't want to see me. I want to see this. Okay. Interesting. Ah, okay. You're composing it, yeah? You're still loading it up. Are you? Yes, you're loading it up. Okay. Don't worry. Take your time, man. Take your time. I think you're taking a lot of time, though. I think. It's only my... Yeah? I think you are. Right. You done? No, really? Ah, look what I did. I did something very useful there, yeah. I was already in the terminals, and now I'm going the entire way around. Okay. So, you know what? We're gonna line the plane on runway. No, we take a left turn and then go back. We take a left turn and then go back. Because we need to take off from the other runway. Okay, so we turn right here, left here. All right. But unbelievable, man, unbelievable. The way certain planes land sometimes, it's really crazy. And they managed to do it. Look at us. We even did it. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Okay, anyway. It was raining, you know, it was dark, I couldn't see much. There you go. Other excuses. So I think we're gonna see if we can align it afterwards, yeah? And what else do I have to do? Off with these. We don't need these anymore, maybe. Although I don't see much. So I'll probably keep them. And that's it. That's all of it. And then, what's the next leg, guys? Bermuda, yeah? Ooh, Bermuda. So that will be, hopefully, a radio nav. Or maybe INS, I don't know. That could be another INS one, actually. Because it's a long one. Okay, where are we? Okay, there's the street lamps there. Okay, fine. Ah, man. Yeah, not a good one. Not a good one. Maybe not a horrible one. Okay. Not a really horrible one. And I still have to get a good landing rating with the 2.7. All of them were, the best were acceptable. This was probably the worst. Except the crash the first time. But, yeah. So, yeah, guys, I don't know. Interesting. Yeah, let me go back to the runway, line up, and then turn it off. Ooh, Freak is suggesting a plan here. Okay, Havana, Boston. Boston. And that's... oh, we could do... You know what we could do? Can we do a Dublin then? Can we do then Dublin? But then we don't follow the plan anymore. Which is not probably a big deal, because we're still gonna go through... like, I don't know, if MadBlue would be around, you'd be happy to hear this. But the thing, let me double check the sky vector thingy here. Because now, the big plan is, it was, let's do it. There you go. See? See, Carve is okay, we have already a vote. Shall we open votes? Shall we open a poll? So, shall we actually don't do this and change it? Instead of doing this trip, we do Boston and we go the highway. And Dublin, yes, Dublin is my hometown. I have Dublin. I actually bought the Dublin scenery. It's the best one. The thing is, I need to download and restart X-Plane, yeah, because thinking it was crashing, I removed the reload plugin. So, but again, restarting X-Plane doesn't really take, yeah. I mean, it's no big deal. And so it's probably even better and wiser if I don't really do much other than shut down the engines, yeah. Okay, let's go in the Terminal 3, and at least we shut it down. And then if we don't need sceneries, fuck it, then we keep flying. If we really need sceneries, then I'll download them and then I'll restart X-Plane. And so there's no point in realigning shit. There you go. Let me put it here. I think, you know, it's a good plan, that one, yeah? What do you think, guys? Oh man, I need, what is it? Some honey, maybe? Maybe some beer is okay. Okay, CYYT, Dublin. Okay, nice. Yes, yes. 1800 miles, more or less. Completely within range of the 27, yeah, if I'm not wrong. I think it's, yeah, within range. Okay, very good. Okay, let's shut it down first. Yeah, nice. Okay. At least we landed. And we weren't completely off. So I have to say that the sieve actually works. Although it basically draws magenta lines in X-Plane. But if you think about it, it makes sense. And all are within 727. Yes, of course. Why do I even ask? I don't know, Freak, I don't know. Sometimes I even, you know, ask for obvious shit. But anyway, yeah, the...